Welcome back to the AI Pack and Find Smart Moving and Home Organization channel, your place for smart moving, storage, and home organization tips. Today I'll be sharing some of the best home organization tips that you can use in real life. Not all of those Pinterest ideas that are impossible to pull off, but simple habits that you can incorporate daily into your life to make your home feel cleaner, calmer, and clutter-free. And yes, you guessed it, I will show you one powerful trick using the PackNFind QR labels that has completely changed the way we store things. So let's jump right in. And don't forget, stay till the very end to find out how you can enter into this month's giveaway. Tip number 1, the 5-minute reset rule. If your home feels overwhelming, lots of clutter, and you do not know where to start, this is a great place. Pick a small section, tabletop, countertop, anywhere, set a timer for 5 minutes and reset that area. And by that, I mean, pick it up, put things where they're supposed to go, clean it up. Do this daily in different areas and you will see such a huge difference overall. Small little resets like that make a big impact. And you'll be shocked how much cleaner your house feels after doing these 5-minute resets. Tip number 2, clear containers. When you have the choice of using a container, go for the clear one. The number one mistake people make is labeling something once and then forgetting about it. When things are visible, they get used. Things that go unseen, it becomes clutter. So take a clear container, use any label, even masking tape works great. Place the items into your container and then make sure to write what is in your box. You can actually see what is in your container here, but it makes it a lot easier for you to find your stuff. Tip number 3, the AI Pack and Find QR labels. This is hands down the biggest game changer in our organization system. The AI Pack and Find Smart QR labels. Let me show you how this works. Simply place a label on your choice of a box, a bin, storage container, luggage. Scan it with your AI Pack and Find app. Then you simply add items into the app. You can type them in, take a picture, or let AI automatically identify each of your items. Later, when it's needed, simply search for your item in the app and instantly know which box it's in. This is so great for holiday stuff that you put away, winter stuff, summer stuff when you're changing seasons, sports equipment, garage storage, pantry overflow, kids' toys, even small business stuff. I mean, you name it and this works. Everything is searchable right there from your phone. No more opening 10 boxes to find that one item. Like I said, it's a game changer. Tip number 4, the one in, one out habit. When you buy new stuff, make it a habit to get rid of something old. So let's say you buy a new cup. Before placing it in your cabinets, take out an old one. Maybe it doesn't get used anymore. Maybe it's chipped. Maybe it's just really old, and throw it away. New jacket, take out an old one and put in the new one. You see where I'm going here? Let's say you buy a new set of dinner plates. Same thing. Maybe you have old ones that are chipped, they're scratched, they just don't get used anymore. Same thing, put in your new dinner plates, take out the old. You can donate the old stuff, or if it's broken, doesn't work anymore, you can just throw it away in the trash. This habit helps to keep your home clutter-free and keeps your storage from piling back up again. Tip number 5, use vertical space. Most homes have more vertical space than horizontal space. Add some wall shelves. Use over-the-door pantry organizers. Use wall hooks, over-the-toilet organizers. Hang backpacks, sports gear, tools. Instead of just piling them or dropping them on the floor as you come in, using the vertical space opens up your home immensely. Tip number 6, create zones for everything. Organized homes aren't perfect. They just have zones. Create a zone for your mail and keys, school supplies, your linen closet, pantry snacks, cleaning supplies. The list goes on and on. Chargers and cables, When you create a zone like that for specific items, your family will know exactly where to go put things and where to go find them. No more lost items, no more clutter all around. Tip number 7, use a drop box for miscellaneous items. Instead of letting random items float around the house, grab yourself a small bin and call it the drop box. Whenever you find something where you don't know where to place, use your drop box. For example, glasses, chargers, pens, Sharpies, markers, toys, drop it in the box. Once a week, redistribute all the items and place them in their specific zones, and then start your week with an empty drop box. This again just helps to prevent that clutter from spreading. Tip number 8, seasonal reset that you do every 3 months. So basically, every 3 months, pick one area in your home, closet, garage, pantry, fridge, and do a quick seasonal reset. Take out your items, reorganize your items, stick a new label on there, and relabel. Not only does that keep your labeling and organization system up to date, but it also helps to jog your memory when you get to see the things that you pack away so that you can find your stuff that much quicker. Bonus tip, use those smart QR labels for long-term organization. Remember, organizing isn't just cleaning. It's creating systems that last. That's why I recommend AI PackNFind for anything that goes into a box or a storage bin. It saves time, reduces stress, and keeps your home organized all year long. If you found these organizing tips helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and comment which tip that you are going to try first. If you want to try our smart QR labels for your home, garage, or moving boxes, just go to AIPackNFind.com. The link is in the description. Oh, I didn't forget, before we wrap up, I have a fun announcement. To thank you all for supporting our new channel, I am giving away an AI PackNFind Smart QR Label Starter Pack. Our smart QR labels that help you pack, organize, and instantly find your items. How do you enter? Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below and tell me which organizing tip you plan to try first. That's it, super simple. One winner will be selected and announced in our next video. Good luck, and I can't wait to read your comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.